Hello viewer, hope you all are fine. I am pretty fine too. In this video today I will try to show you details about Manjaro Budgie Edition of Linux which is newly released. Hope you will like my video. In this video I have used Proxmox as virtual environment. And you can see now I am setting up the configuration to install Manjaro Budgie inside Proxmox. In this case, if you want, you can install it directly on your computer by creating a bootable drive, or you can run it inside Windows by using Wallpapers install. Manjaro Budgie is a Linux distribution that provides a user-friendly and elegant desktop environment, built on the Manjaro Linux core. It combines the simplicity and elegance of the Budgie desktop with the power and versatility of Manjaro Linux. The Budgie desktop is a modern and minimalist desktop environment that offers a clean and intuitive user interface. It features a panel at the top of the screen that includes the application menu, system tray, and clock. The panel is highly configurable, allowing users to customize it to their liking. Manjaro Budgie also comes with a wide range of pre-installed applications, including the Firefox web browser, LibreOffice Productivity Suite, GIMP image editor, and many more. It also includes a software center that makes it easy to discover and install new software. Under the hood, Manjaro Budgie is based on Arch Linux, which is known for its rolling release updates and up-to-date packages. This means that users can always stay up to date with the latest software and security updates. Manjaro Budgie is a great choice for users who are looking for a lightweight and elegant Linux distribution that is easy to use and highly customizable. Its combination of the Budgie desktop and Manjaro Linux provides a powerful and flexible platform for both beginners and advanced users. Manjaro Budgie is one of the official desktop flavors of Manjaro Linux, which is a popular Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. It features the Budgie Desktop Environment, which is developed by the Solace project. The Budgie Desktop is known for its user-friendliness and simplicity, while also being highly customizable. Manjaro Budgie offers a clean and modern user interface, which is designed to be easy to use and intuitive. The desktop features a panel at the top of the screen that includes the application menu, system tray, and clock. The panel is highly configurable, allowing users to add or remove applets and customize the layout to their liking. Manjaro Budgie comes with a range of pre-installed applications, including the Firefox web browser, LibreOffice Productivity Suite, GIMP image editor, and many others. These applications are hand-picked to provide users with a complete set of tools for their daily computing needs. One of the unique features of Manjaro Linux is its rolling release model, which means that updates are delivered continuously rather than in periodic releases. This ensures that users always have access to the latest software and security updates, without the need for a full system upgrade. Manjaro Budgie also includes the PMAC Package Manager, which provides an easy-to-use graphical interface for installing, removing, and updating software. PMAC supports multiple package formats, including Arch Linux's Pacman and or Arch User Repository packages. In summary, Manjaro Budgie is a user-friendly and customizable Linux distribution that offers a modern and elegant desktop environment, a wide range of pre-installed applications, and a rolling release model for continuous updates. Key system requirements for Manjaro Budgie are generally modest and should be easily met by most modern computers. Here are the minimum recommended system requirements. 64-bit processor with at least 1 GHz clock speed. At least 2 GB of RAM. At least 20 GB of free disk space. Graphics card with support for OpenGL 3.0 or higher. DVD drive or USB port for installation media. It's worth noting that these are the minimum requirements, and higher specifications will result in better performance. For example, if you plan to use Manjaro Budgie for tasks such as video editing or gaming, you may benefit from a more powerful processor and graphics card. In general, Manjaro Budgie is designed to be a lightweight and efficient operating system, so it should perform well even on older hardware. However, if you have an especially older underpowered computer, you may want to consider using a lighter weight Linux distribution instead. Customizability. The Budgie desktop environment is highly customizable, allowing users to change the appearance of the desktop and panel to their liking. It offers a range of applets and themes that can be easily installed and configured. Stability. Manjaro Linux is known for its stability, which is achieved through careful testing of software updates before they are released to users. This ensures that users have a stable and reliable system that they can depend on. Accessibility. Manjaro Budgie is designed to be accessible to users of all abilities, with features such as high contrast themes, screen readers, and magnifiers built in. Community. Manjaro Linux has a strong and active community of users and developers who provide support, contribute to the development of the distribution, and create additional software and tools. Security. Manjaro Budgie includes a range of security features, including full disk encryption, firewall configuration, and support for secure boot. Performance. Manjaro Budgie is optimized for performance, with fast boot times, low resource usage, and support for the latest hardware. Arch User Repository, or Manjaro Budgie provides access to the Arch User Repository, which is a community-driven repository of packages that are not available in the official repositories. This allows users to install a wide range of additional software and tools. Manjaro Linux ensures the stability of its software updates through a number of processes and tools that are designed to test and validate updates before they are released to users. One of the key processes that Manjaro Linux uses to ensure software stability is its testing branch. Before software updates are released to the stable branch, they are first tested in the testing branch by a group of volunteer testers. This testing helps to identify any issues or bugs that may exist in the software, and allows the developers to address them before the update is released to the wider user base. In addition to this, Manjaro Linux also has a dedicated team of developers who work to ensure that updates are thoroughly tested before they are released. This team tests updates on a range of hardware configurations and software environments to ensure that they work as expected and do not cause any issues. Manjaro Linux also uses a tool called Pacman hooks to ensure that updates are installed correctly and do not cause any issues with the system. Pacman hooks are scripts that are executed during the installation or removal of packages, and they can perform a range of tasks such as checking for dependencies, backing up configuration files, and running post-installation scripts. Finally, Manjaro Linux provides users with tools such as Timeshift and SystemBack, which allow them to create system snapshots and backups. These tools can be used to quickly restore the system to a previous state if an update causes issues or problems. In summary, Manjaro Linux ensures the stability of its software updates through a combination of testing processes, dedicated development teams, Pacman hooks, and backup and restore tools. These processes and tools help to identify and address issues before updates are released, and allow users to quickly recover from any problems that may occur.